a lot to me, and it saves me a lot of money.
It's a big deal for me because, like I said, when we walked in, everybody just came out and said hello, people that don't even know me.
2 to 3 times a year we do an oil change clinic. That's what we call it. It's through Calvary Worship Center, and it's mainly for women that their husband's deployed, that have kids, widowed moms, or just, a single mom that has a kid and doesn't have anybody, to help them with it. So we provide the shop, we provide the oil, the women buy the oil filter, the men's ministry inspects the car, writes it up, does the oil change, informs the women what they need.
Me and my mom are getting oil change and for free because she's a single.
Helps them out a lot so they can get the oil change and they keep the maintenance up on their car.
I have no idea how to do it.
Getting my oil changed by myself is $90, and that's $90 that I could be spending on sports for the kids or doing something fun with them. So it's pretty amazing that they're willing to do this for free, just to be nice. That's awesome.
I really appreciate TJ Auto because I can come here and they can give me an oil change, and they actually inspect my car and tell me other things that are going wrong with the vehicle.
From my point of view, the main thing that we do that they appreciate even more is we will inspect their vehicles and basically look at all those things that we see. We have guys that are good at cars, and they will basically share with the ladies what they found. We will even bring the ladies out here in the shop to show them what it is that we found, so that when they go to visit their own mechanic, whoever that happens to be, they will already know some things about their car. And if that person maybe gives them some advice that goes counter to what we said, she's at least armed with some good information, and she's seen it herself, so she feels just a little bit more empowered when she goes there, and it feels a little bit harder to take advantage of.
We call it the CWC pit crew. That's what we do here. And I enjoy doing it, and the other guys said, I just do it. I love doing it, and it's a God-given gift for us,
That inspection of the vehicle is priceless. Because I trust what TJ Auto says when they say, hey, you need to look at other things.
Turn signal.
Tim is nice enough to make his shop available, and that's honestly not a small thing.
It builds trust, and it makes them calm to know that if something bad were to happen, they have a place to go, and they know that we're going to help them out the best that we can.
And I have, bottom line is peace of mind. I just have peace of mind when I have my car worked on now. I don't need to worry about spending more money than what's needed.